Specialized equipment known as the solar frame dismantling machine has revolutionized the process of automated disassembly for aluminum frames from solar photovoltaic panels. The distinct advantages of this innovation lie in its profound impact on efficiency and precision during the dismantling process, simultaneously reducing the need for manual intervention and mitigating the risks associated with human error. This cutting-edge automation addresses the pressing demand for solar panel disassembly, substantially elevating the pace and caliber of recycling operations. By doing so, it ushers in a multitude of benefits for the panel recycling sector. Though solar panel recycling is still in its nascent stages, discernible indicators underscore its escalating significance in the times ahead. As technology progresses and societal consciousness heightens, solar panel recycling is destined to assume a progressively pivotal role in the spheres of renewable energy and environmental preservation. Should our technology and equipment arouse your interest, we cordially invite you to connect with us for in-depth discussions.